Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Gmail account step by step. Talking about Gmail, most of us are using Gmail as a primary way to receiving our emails, but not a lot of people talk about how you can actually create that primary email address. So we're going to be diving out today. Now to get started with creating our Gmail account, we are going to go google.com. Once you do that, if you already have an account and you are trying to create a new one, just click on your profile on the top right, and then you can click on add another account, and then you can click on create account, and then you're going to choose what use that this email address is going to be. You can choose for personal, for your child, or for your work or business. So let's say this is for my personal use. Now after here, we're going to add our first name, and let's say it's Eddie for the first name and Hoodie for last name. And then we're going to proceed with our date of birth. It will October 29 1999, and we're going to go with our gender and then click on next, and you're going to choose your email address, so you will have a couple of recommendations, and then you can even create your own Gmail address. You can check it if the one that you want is available for Odibody, and let's see if it's available. It's not available, so I'll add 99, and then yeah, it's available. After that, you're going to be create a suitable password for your account, and I'm just going to do that. And then click on next. Once I do that, you do have to verify your email address with a phone number, because emails have become so popular and Gmail is honestly one of the world's most popular tools. That's why it has now required to us for verify our email address with our phone number. Once we do that, we will receive a confirmation email, and then in that confirmation email we will have our verification code. So sometimes this can take a couple of seconds, sometimes it can be pretty instant, and our code has arrived. It's 830258, and then click on next, and then we can add our recovery email address. And then click on next. I'm just going to agree to their terms and conditions. And yep, I just create my first Google account. You can explore your Google application by clicking on the top right hand corner. So, and then click manage your Google account. Here for your account, and then first step, you can change your profile picture. Google can provide you to have some illustration like this. You can choose everything that you want. It's so much illustration here. You can choose from your computer by uploading your image, and then maybe you can take a picture. So I will keep this unicorn image because it's cute, and I choose for the default one, and then adjust set for a little, and yes, this is my profile picture. You can adjust or setting who can see your profile picture, maybe anyone or people you interact with. To learn more about email, you can explore on Google application by clicking top right hand corner and click Gmail. And then once you land on your email account, you can start emailing to everyone that you want by clicking compose here. And then you can start to email. You can fill the recipients and subject for your title, and then the body email. You can schedule the email. And then this is some feature from Gmail. It's for formatting the text in your body email. By clicking this, you can use bold, italic, underline, and then you can change your text color. You also can attach files here, maybe your photo or emails document to send it with your email, and then attach some link. You can change the text and copy the link, and then some emojis here to make your email more expressive. And then you can choose your Google Drive here. Maybe its files is too big, you can upload it to Google Drive and then send it to your email. And you can insert photo here. You can upload it from your computer or maybe web address or URL. You can add some signature too in your email and take a label to organize your email. And in the left, you can find some menu for inbox, for start message, maybe for snooze, and then your email that's sent to people, draft, and much more like schedule, spam, trash, and categories that you organize the email. And that's all. I hope you all find this video helpful and hope you like it. Thanks for watching.